Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Digest. Today I am going to start a new session on Core Java. This session will be absolutely from scratch, so without wasting times, let's get started. First thing is, what is Java? Right? What is Java? Java is programming language and a platform. Okay, Java is high level, robust, object oriented, and secure programming language. Okay, so Java was first developed by Sun Microsystem in the year 1995. James Gosling is known as the father of Java. Its name was first Oak. Since that time, Oak was already a registered company, so James Gosling and his team changed the name from Oak to Java. Now the question is why Java is a platform, because I have already mentioned that Java is a programming language and as well as a platform. Now first thing, what is a platform? Now, a platform is any hardware or software environment in which a program runs is called a platform, right? Or is known as a platform. So any hardware or software environment in which program runs is known as a platform. So Java has a Java runtime environment, which I will be discussing in later stage or later videos, right? And some APIs. Thus it is called a platform. Now the next thing is how Java works, right? So we'll understand these through Java architecture and component of Java. Java is a high level programming language. That means it is a human understandable English like language. But as an electronic device, our computer will not understand human readable language, right? Computer only understands the language of zeros and ones. That means the binary code, or high voltage level or low voltage level. As simple as that, correct? Then how that high level human understandable language gets converted to low level machine readable language? Here how it works, right? Now suppose you have written one Java code here. So you have written a human readable kind of language. So this is your Java code, right? So this is your Java code. Right, now Java code itself is a English like language, right? It should be converted to something in machine understandable language, right? For that it will be converted step by step, right? So first it will be converted to some byte code. Byte code is what? It is neither understandable by human nor understandable by machine. So it is just if you see the codes, it is just you will get some garbage values what there. Okay, so here this Java code or your Java code will be converted to byte code first. Byte code. Now who will convert this normal human readable Java code to bytecode? So here something called compiler. So what is the function of compiler? It compiles Java code into bytecode, right? It compiles or it converts Java code into bytecode, correct? Now this bytecode will be fed to Java virtual machine. Now what is Java virtual machine? I will come in detail in later stage of this particular series what is Java virtual machine, but for now just understand this is a virtual machine where Java program runs. Okay, it's a Java is a platform independent. And why it is platform independent? Because it runs on top of JVM. Okay, I'll come to that particular point why it is platform independent and what is Java virtual machine. For now you just assume that it's a virtual machine where Java program runs, right? Now this particular bytecode, okay, this particular bytecode will be fed to where? This JVM or Java virtual machine. Java virtual machine. Now what Java virtual machine will do? Now Java virtual machine, okay, will read this bytecode line by line and will convert these to 0 and 1s. Okay, this it will convert to zeros and 1s. Zeros and 1s, right? So zeros and 1s are the machine readable code, right? Now what it will do, Java virtual machine will read this bytecode line by line and it will convert those particular line to zeros and 1s or binary codes. This particular phenomena is called interpreter or interpretation, or this particular function will be done by interpreter, right? So there will be one interpreter, okay. So that is why it's in interview question, why Java is called compiled as well as interpreted language. So Java uses compiler as well as interpreter, correct? So this interpreter will interpret bytecode line by line and it convert to zeros and 1s, and it will supply this code to normal operating system, whatever operating system you have, right? So whatever operating system you have, and your program will run on top of that OS. This is how the Java architecture works. So what is that? So Java code or human readable code will first be compiled to bytecode. Then this bytecode will be interpreted by interpreter through Java virtual machine, and it will convert this particular bytecode line by line to zeros and 1s. This particular phenomena is called interpretation, right? And this particular zeros and 1s code will be executed on top of operating system. That is how a Java programs or Java mechanism works, right? So That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.